Alright, I'm playing SoulCalibur 6 again. Little different. It's the same old 5 rounds, but like CPU versus CPU, unlimited time per round thing, blah blah blah. But this time, instead of doing no ring outs, I did the opposite. I've selected it to do blow up. So there's more knockback, so we might see some ring outs today, who knows. Anyways, moving on from that little ramble, we've got Birdwoman versus Robotnik. If you're wondering what Birdwoman is, I don't know. I was bored, so I made a bird thing. Yeah.
The cherry blossom magnifies its beauty as with life.
This map's cool.
Are you ready?
I'll snap your neck.
He said the cool line. That guy's cool. Okay. Let's see. She made bird sounds. That's kind of funny. Okay, well, there is a lot more knockback. I don't know. I don't know if I like it with more knockback or not. It's a bit strange. I mean, these two both have very heavy weapons. It's just Robotnik has multiple weapons. He's got a primary and a secondary. It makes him gives him a little bit of an advantage in most fights. Anyway, well, Birdwoman did the thing. What did she do? She hit him on the head twice. Okay. So I'm not rooting for either of them because they're not completely scuffed. I mean, I do prefer Robotnik, but I mean I don't care who wins this. They're both very bombastic combatants. Okay. Well. No. How? What? Hang on. I don't remember Birdwoman being strong. Either something's happened with the extra knockback that helps her out, or she's, I don't know, mastered chi or something. I don't know. How would a bird lady gain strength? I'm no scientist. Okay.
This is it.
Well, that's it. Okay, I'm lost for words at the moment. I mean, Robotnik isn't having it, but I'm trying to think if there's something I did that made Birdwoman stronger. Like, it was supposed to be a balanced fight. It is close, which is good. I like that. But I guess I should do some experimenting with the blow up mode to see if that actually does change anything, or if I'm just hallucinating. Oh, that was cool. Didn't know he could swing the little pipe like that. Pipes are very cool. Alright, what's that? What? I didn't know she could do that. Also, Robotnik's shirt's gone, so he's a tad exposed. I think this might be... I'm pretty sure it'll be the first fight Robotnik loses, like recording-wise. I don't know. It could very well be. I don't remember all of the outcomes of the fights because they were a fair while ago with Eggman. So if this is his first loss, that means Birdwoman might become somewhat of a regular, if they are actually powerful. I don't know what to expect here. Oh. Ring outs, they can change the tides of a fight very quickly. Apparently it couldn't be, guys. That's pretty cool. Alright. Okay. But I don't know what's going on, but it's going on. Whether I like it or not. I think Birdwoman's actually going to win this. Damn, didn't see that coming at all, actually. And I'm happy, like, no matter who wins, this is still a good fight. But commentary lacking, of course, but that's pure amazement more than anything else. The block mode does seem pretty cool. I might do a few more videos with the block mode. Maybe do a couple rematches, but in different settings edits. There's also slip out mode where like the floor's slippery, so there's more ring outs, which is weird. Oh, I thought Robotnik was just done there. Well, he came back with another ring out. His corner control's pretty damn good. So I thought he was done there when she hit him like close to the edge. He just turned the tides. That was great. I want to see some ultimates though. We haven't seen those yet. Ultimates are cool, please. Please. Use the special moves. We need to see cool stuff. What? Oh. That was very unpleasant to watch. Oh, I'm pretty sure that's Eggman's first loss. That was special. Let's see what Birdwoman has to say. I guess not. She scares me. Don't like how it's just looking at. Oh, it's trying to look at you, but it's looking away. Oh no. That's terrible. Okay, well, I'm pretty sure, don't quote me on it, but I'm pretty sure that's Eggman's first loss. Impressive on Birdwoman's part. So, that was SoulCalibur 6. Instead of doing no ring outs, we did a blow up, which is more knockback, which is pretty cool. Yeah. If you liked it, like it. If you have suggestions for other characters that should fight each other, or other games I should play, leave that in the comments. And if you want to see more videos like this, subscribe. I'm a skedaddle. See ya.